Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the Humap Content Management System. In this series, I will be showing you how to create and curate content on your Humap instance. This tutorial is for creating quick starts in the Content Management System. To get to the CMS, you'll first need to log into your Humap admin account. You can do that by navigating to your instance home screen and adding /admin into the address bar and clicking enter. On the login screen, type your email address into this box and your password into this box. If you would like the browser to remember your details, click Remember Me and then click Login. Quick starts link your users to specific places. These can be on your Humap instance or they can be elsewhere on the internet. Most often, these are used to link to collections or specific taxonomies. Your instance does not have to have quick starts, but they are extremely useful for directing your audience. To get to the quick starts dashboard, click on the button in the menu on the left. Click Create Quick Start or New Quick Start to continue. Type a name for your quick start into the title text box and add some content in the content text box. You can then copy and paste a URL into the URL text box and upload an image by clicking Choose File, selecting the image you would like to upload and clicking Upload. You can then add an image name below. This is how quick starts look to your users once made visible from the tray view screen. You can also add quick starts to the web pages that surround your instance, for example, on the home page and on the About page. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video or feature, please feel free to get in touch with us at team@humap.me.